Okay, so after much filing and profanity, what we ended up doing was taking that 3/4 inch bore 19 spline socket, which as it turns out it's a 13/16 19 spline shaft, and we actually filed down the inside and got rid of the teeth to basically get it to slide over the shaft. And I did that for about, I don't know, 3-4 hours by hand. It still would not fit. I did lightly take a grinder and just touch the edges of all the splines, just one pass on each one, a very quick pass. And once I did that, this whole piece here will now slide back and forth very easily. So the plan at this point is to line this chain up excuse me, with this sprocket, and basically we're just going to tack it on there, and then afterwards, this is just an extra bolt. What we're going to do is probably run a bolt through there, short of having to buy an entire rear, because I cannot find a 13/16 19 spline bore anywhere. Short of doing that, this is the only way that I can figure this out. So what I'm going to do is, once I get this lined up straight, I'm going to tack it on the edge, make sure that it's good. If I have to, I'll run a bead around it, and then I'm going to run a bolt through both just to lock it in place, and hopefully that will alleviate the issue with the trans to the rear. And then of course we have the sleeve for this that will slide back and forth. We have to put a collar here to line this up with our driven on our torque converter. So that's fine. This is the guy we're going to work on, and I will take a shot of it, I guess, once it's done, so you can see what it looks like.